If you're an owner-operator, truck driver, or small carrier, you understand that time equals money. Each day you're not loaded up is a day you're losing money. That's where we come in, your one-stop shop to find freight, get booked quicker, and keep your wheels rolling. Throughout this guide, we'll take you step by step through how to get started with Be Loaded and be road ready in no time. Whether you're brand new to the platform or looking to optimize your freight finding process, this step-by-step approach will ensure you're set up for success. Why getting on Be Loaded matters. The trucking business is competitive, with more than 3.5 million professional truck drivers in America, American Trucking Association's 2024. Seeking regular, well-paying freight is not an easy undertaking. Load boards are helpful, but they can be competitive, time-consuming, and short on direct shipper opportunities. Be Loaded streamlines that process. With access to real-time loads, verified brokers, and direct booking capabilities, drivers can reduce downtime, boost earnings, and avoid empty miles. Plus, the platform is built to help both new and experienced drivers navigate the freight market efficiently. Step 1. Create your Be Loaded account. Getting started begins with setting up your profile. Here's what you'll need. Basic business information, company name, or your name if you're an owner-operator, USD-OT and MC number if required, contact information, documents required, insurance proof with minimum FMCSA requirements met, W-9 form, operating authority, banking information, for rapid payment when you use integrated payment solutions. When your account is established, Be Loaded authenticates your credentials to verify compliance. This guards against fake activity for drivers as well as shippers. Pro tip: submit all documents in bulk to expedite approval time and prevent delays. Step 2. Set up your profile to succeed. Your profile is your initial introduction to brokers and shippers. A well-filled-out profile can be the deciding factor between receiving offers and being ignored. Upload a professional logo or profile photo. Enter your equipment details, truck type, trailer type, capacity. Clarify your service area. Whether you operate local, regional, or OTR, include any special certifications, hazmat, tanker, refrigerated, etc. By being transparent and specific, you'll get more customized load offers and establish trust in a hurry. Step 3. Search and filter loads. Be Loaded's load search feature enables you to locate freight that has your equipment, route, and schedule. Filter by pickup and drop-off location. Set weight and size limits to match your trailer's capacity. Sort by rate per mile to maximize earnings. Search by load type, flatbed, reefer, dry van, or specialized freight. Most high-earning drivers utilize saved search alerts, so they are alerted when new loads corresponding to their choice arrive on the board. Step 4. Negotiate and book loads. While in other typical load boards, there is stiff competition, Be Loaded allows greater one-on-one communication with shippers and brokers. Carefully review load details, pickup and delivery times, payment terms, detention layover policies, negotiate rates. Utilize your calculations of cost per mile to guarantee profitability. Negotiate using multiple offers for loads to bolster your negotiating power. Book in one click, when possible. For pre-approved carriers, instant booking eliminates hours of back and forth. Step 5. Remain compliant on the road. Although Be Loaded assists you in finding freight, it's your job to remain compliant with FMCSA regulations. ELD, electronic logging device, tracking for hours of service. Vehicle inspections before and following trips. Load securement according to FMCSA rules. Remaining compliant not only protects you, but also increases your reliability score on the platform, meaning more and higher-paying freight opportunities. Step 6. Get paid sooner. One of the greatest headaches for truckers is delayed payments. As the industry standard payment time is 30 to 45 days, Be Loaded provides the ability to receive payment as quickly as 24 hours through factoring or speed pay services. A quick pay, small charge for payment in 1-3 days. Integrated factoring, prepay on your freight bill and let B-Loaded handle collection. Fast payments enable you to maintain your cash position without using credit lines or loans. Step 7. Monitor performance and maximize routes. B-Loaded is more than just securing freight. It's also a business optimization tool. Monitor rate per mile trends to determine the most lucrative lanes. Study load history to determine which routes and shippers are most profitable. Tune the service area to minimize deadhead miles and maximize load frequency. Highly rated drivers use B-Loaded as a business dashboard. Making better hauling choices with data. Bonus: creating long-term shipper and broker relationships. Long-term relationships are the basis for steady freight. Load boards are perfect for filling in gaps. Utilize B-Loaded's messaging and rating system to deliver on time. Dependability is the quickest means of securing repeat loads. Communicate clearly. Ensure details are verified before pickup. Stay professional. Even in disagreements, be calm and solution-oriented. Over time, these working relationships can develop into direct contracts that completely circumvent the process of competitive bidding. Final takeaways: B-Loaded is easy enough to get started with, but succeeding on the platform takes strategy. Here's the quick rundown. Create your account and post all documents for speedy approval. Make your profile optimal to attract the proper loads. Save time and identify profitable freight using filters and alerts. Negotiate intelligently to safeguard your bottom line. Comply to enhance your reliability rating. Employ quick pay modes for improved cash flow. Optimize performance to route better and maximize earnings. With the proper mindset, B-Loaded can be your best friend when it comes to loading your truck and keeping your business rolling. Learn how to sign up, find loads, and start hauling with B-Loaded. A complete step-by-step guide for truckers and carriers to get on the road. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on transportation topics. Anytime, any place. B-Loaded.